So now what I want to show you is how to do a simple table. So we've got these names, so let's select them, copy in New York, put them there, paste, and let's just type some, we've got some numbers here, so let's copy these. And let's have some months as well. Paste. There we go. And if we want to total here, so press total, press autosum, enter, and click there, drag that down, and suppose we've got total at the bottom, so total there, and then autosum. Now it's added the year in, which we don't want, so just select the range that we want, press enter, drag that over. Now to format tables, we need to make this wider, so I move my cursor there, double click, that will make that wider. With tables, formatting is particularly easy if you just have one row at the top for column titles. So let's just delete this row for now. And we have a simple table. So to format this is very simple if you know how. So you select any cell in the table. You see there it's got format as table. Click on that and you can select any of these very tasteful formats. So that's one I like. Click on that. And yes, the table has headers, which is January, February, March. Click on OK. And it formats it like that. So easy. Now, you might not want these arrows here because this sort of gives you this functionality of a table where you just can select a certain, supposing you just want, which sort of goes into a whole other area which I don't really want to get into now. You see here it's got added this extra menu item now, which is table design. So all we do is convert to range. And then do you want to convert the table to a normal range? Yes. And then it gets rid of those filter things we had before. And then we probably want to delete where it says column 1, which I added because it was a table. Now unfortunately these now are hard to read because it's white on sort of grey. So select them all and then you can change this font colour to black. And that's a bit easier to read. And that, I don't like that white thing, that black thing there. So again, we can click on that and change the background fill to white. So that's a good starting point for the tables. And you can play around with it, or you can also create your own table style if you use one quite a lot. And then you can select that you want a first column stripe, for example. Maybe you want the names in a different color. Maybe you want the names with a blue fill, like that. So you can play around with that. So as you notice, it hasn't included the word total in this table for whatever reason. So to correct that, you format, select where you want to format. Let's do a color bond this time. Format as table, this one. So here it's got B12 to F12. We either click there, change backspace, change to a 3, or we can just click there, drag, and just make it there. Then click on OK. And there it's formatted the bottom line as well. But we don't like either form, we need to change it back to a range. That gets rid of those arrows, and then we need to reformat.